Gagi boy, wala pa man sila boy. Tara boy, tambay tayo boy. Tara, saan boy? Jika? Bagong tayo sa shot oh.
Sure ba kayo? Next week ba yun i-comply yung project natin?
Hindi lang yun. Ako kung bahala sa'yo. Kausapin lang natin si ma'am. Tara G.
Tara.
Tara. Tara, labas na bagal oh. Akin inuman. Sige boy, ako pulutan boy. Ikaw boy.
Good lang bro, parang may tumatawag.
Sino yan?
Good bro, sila ikaw.
Hindi muna.
Hello, like. Andito lang kami, may binibili. Sige, pabalik na kami. Bro, parang mali talaga yung ginagawa natin.
Kung mabahala bro, kami bahala sa'yo. Next week pa naman deadline nun.
Nagtakot talaga ako.
Pwede pa ba? Minsan lang naman to.
Oh, tsaka minor subject naman yun.
Ganun ba yun?
Hindi ko alam sa amin. Kami bahala sa'yo.
Hey, anong oras na?
Mag 3 p.m. na. Saan ba sila si Raj?
Hindi ko din alam kasi nag-text sila na nandito na sila kanina pa.
So, saan sila ngayon? Bakit? Ewan din talaga sa tatlong yun, nakakaano talaga sila. Wala na nga sila maambag sa grupo. Hindi pa sila makita dito kung saan-saan. Saan pa talaga sila pupunta?
Wait, tawagan ko sila ha.
Sige nga.
Hello? Saan na kayo? Nandito na kami. Sige. Hintayin namin kayo dito ha.
Kung anong sabi?
May binili lang daw sila. So anong plano natin ngayon?
Tapos hindi mo man tinanong kung ano.
Sabi nila babalik lang daw sila pagkatapos nila binili nila.
Si Raj talaga. Alam na niya may gagawin tayong projects na nila natin ipasa. Kung saan pa lang pupunta, bakit? Importante ba yung bibilhin?
Tara, hanapin natin sila.
Magawa na lang tayo ng video.
Anong video?
Yung sa project natin.
Video din ba yun?
Oo. Hindi natin ipasa yun.
Okay.
Hanapin natin sila.
Tara.
Aba, Sir Raj. Sabi mo kanina may binili lang kayo. Pero, ano to nga to? Nag-iinuman lang pala kayo dito.
Pasensya na, nadala lang ako sa bad influence nila.
Ano diba, anong pakiramdam kung umiinom kami? Alam mo, kung ayaw mo nyo gumawa ng project, sana nagsabi na kayo. Kasi hindi lang yung kayo yung may ano dito eh.
Pwede pa naman bukas ah.
Next week na yung deadline. Tapos bukas pa tayo gagawa?
Bakit? Yung subject naman yun.
Oo nga, pero marami pa tayo dapat gawin. Alam niyo yun? Sana nagsabi na kayo na ayaw nyo magawa ng video, ng project.
Para hindi kami madamay.
Hindi kayo na lang yung gumawa. Pwede pa naman bukas ah.
Talaga. Raj.
Ano? Sa kanila
Kinukonsente mo ba talaga itong mga friends mo?
Pwede pa yung Brad. Next week.
Okay.
So good day everyone. So malevolent leaders. So what is malevolent leaders? So it is widely known that leaders can differ in their qualities and abilities. Some earn their leadership position through their skills, foresight, and ethical conduct, which other may use negative means and manipulation to succeed. These harmful leaders can cause great harm to both individuals and organization. They may engage in behavior like spreading untrue rumors, sabotaging colleges, and intentionally damaging the reputation of those in their surroundings. Trying to compare the reasons for harmful behavior can be challenging as it as multi-phase issue. It might stem from personal uncertainties, a need for power, or an absence of compassion. No matter that cause, this type of behavior can have a significant impact on teams or organizations. It can lead to lack of faith, low moral, decreased efficiency, and unjustified harm to people, professional reputation, and cares. So that's what means of malevolent leaders.
Good day, everyone. Now, let's talk about malevolent leadership. Malevolent leadership refers to a style of leadership characterized by harming, unethical, or destructive behavior that negatively impact individuals or organizations. This type of leadership can manifest in various ways, including abuse of power, lack of empathy, dishonest, intimidation, favoritism, and discrimination. Abuse of power. Malevolent leaders often misuse their authority to manipulate or control others for personal gain or maintain their power. Lack of empathy. These leaders typically show little concern for well-being of their subordinates, leading to a toxic work environment. Dishonesty. Engaging in deceitful practices, such as lying or holding important information, is common among malevolent leaders. Intimidating and bullying. They may use fear tactics to surpass dissent and ensure complaints from team members. Favoritism and discrimination. Unfair treatments of employees based on personal biases rather than merit can be prevalent. Malevolent leadership can be severe, leading to decreased morale, high turnover rates, reduced productivity, and even long-term damage to an organization's reputations and success. Addressing this issue requires strong organizational policy, a culture of accountability, and mechanism for reporting and dealing with unethical behavior.
Malevolent leadership is a form of leadership where individuals in position of power liberty engage in destructive behaviors that undermine the well-being, success, and morale of their followers. Organization or society, these leaders often use coercion, deceit, and manipulation to maintain the control and pursue the personal gain, disregarding ethical standards, organization goals, and the welfare of others. Their actions typically foster a toxic environment characterized by fear, mistrust, and dysfunction. The leader's actions are deliberate and mean to cause harm or extol. These leaders violate ethical norms, engage in corruption, dishonesty, and hesitation. Refers to a leadership style characterized by harmful, unethical, or abuse behaviors that prioritize the leader's personal gain over the well-being of their followers, organization, or community. Malevolent leaders intentionally cause harmful, manipulate others, and create toxic environment. Their leadership often undermines trust, moral, and organizational effectiveness. Character, manipulation, and deception. They use lies, misinformation, and deceit to control and influence others. Exploitation, prioritize personal gains, often the expense of employees or the organization. Abuse power, engage in bullying, imitation or to maintain control, lack of empathy, slowly little regarding for the emotion, needs, or well-being of others. Toxic environment create a hostile work cultural that cites creativity.